एक बार तालियों के साथ सर का स्वागत करें।
Respected principal, all my learned colleagues, my friends, members of my family and all present here. First of all, I would like to clear the frightening of the word retirement. A person retires so many times in his life. First, from his early infancy, he enters the adolescence, and then youth period, and then old age. What are all these stages meant? These meant that this is the law of nature. Change is the law of nature. It is a natural phenomenon because the words retirement, promotion, demotion, all these things are part of our service. Every person has to go through these stages. So we should not be afraid of such experiences. This is my only experience, as so many my learning friends have expressed their ideas on this particular occasion, the occasion of retirement. Although I am going to retire this day, but I see throughout my life, I have seen, not seen, that life also remains stable, because there is life in movement and death in stagnation. We should not stop anywhere. Go ahead, march ahead, doing everything, doing your duties, performing your own responsibilities, whether they are related to teaching or other professions. I would like to clear the word profession. Profession is a word which teaches other professions. Profession is a word which teaches other professions. I heard a madam, a teacher, from the platform of Kaun Banega Crorepati. She was asking Amitabh Bachchan, the convener of this program, sir, during the COVID-19, many health workers or policemen or volunteers or NGOs also are appreciated for their noble task. Sir, give this message from this stage that we are the makers of the health workers, the policemen, the politicians, the prime minister, the president. All are the creation of us. That is why we are called the nation builder. Be hopeful everywhere. Because if we have a glance, particularly the learned men of literature, Hindi or English, particularly in English, John Keats, an English poet, after suffering in autumn, he asked, where are the songs of suffering? Hey, where are they? And again he says, think not of them. Thou hast thy own music too. And similarly, we have some couplets from Hindi poet Bihari Lal. यही आशा अटके रही अली गुलाब के मूल, हवाई है बसंत ऋतु इन डारन वे फूल. We should not give hope. We should wait again for the coming suffering. And life is mingled with sorrows and joys. And we see in the nature, all we see, there is a proverb, where there is a flower, there is a thorn. जहाँ फूल वहाँ कांटा. We see on the same plant rose flowers bloom, and thorns too grow on the same plant. If a flower and a thorn can live together, then why sorrow and joy can live together? It means we should live equally in sorrows and in joys. Taking no more time because we are going to be late. I, from the deepest of my heart, I thank you all for this party arranged by you to honor me, to honor this great moment. And my request now is to you. First of all, I would like to present you little gift to each and everybody, and then I request, there is a call from Ashwini. I arrange a meager lunch for you. I invite you from my deepest of my heart. Thank you.